Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mr. Dan. Today, we're going to be doing part one of a product review. It's a vegetable saver kind of deal. Like you don't need a plastic bag or a Ziploc bag or whatever. So Penny picked a couple of them up. So we're going to give it a try. We're going to cut a tomato and an onion today, and then we're going to seal it, and we'll be back in a day or two to open it up and see how fresh it still is. All right, without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, so as you can see, Penny got a little overzealous, and she threw away the package before we did what we were going to do, which is this. So this is what it is, Joie, whatever. The red one's a tomato pod, and the mustard colored one is an onion pod. Over here, I just honed the knife up a little bit. We're going to slice this in half, and we're going to slice this in half and hook them up over there in the little containers. Okay, so supposedly those things are pretty easy to use. So we'll just do like this. We'll take the tomato, and move this over here. Take the tomato, and we'll just slice it in half, okay? We're going to have to clean the onion a bit. Some of this skin is just changing colors out here. Anyway, I'm going to use this in a little bit. Well, not the part I just cut, but so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put these in the container, and then we're gonna see what they look like in a couple days. You know, checking for moisture, dryness, I guess you could say. See how nice and fresh they still are. Because the things that we read online, they're supposed to be really good. So here's another little spot. Let me get this off of here. Okay, so now what we do is you take these and you unscrew them. See, you just take this and just twist, and it opens up. And you place face down, boom, just like so. And then we push this down, and this material that they have, it stretches on there. And that's all it does. See, it just sits there now. Supposedly that's going to keep my little onion nice and fresh for, I don't think it gave up to a certain number of days, but. So same thing with the tomato. Push it down, twist, nice and tight, snug in there. I'm going to stick those in the refrigerator. Now this is part one, so we'll wait a couple days and we'll do part two. This is Mr. Dan saying, stay fresh, my friends. Get it? Stay fresh. That cracks me up. Remember, wash your hands, protect yourself, cover up. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Or we can wait for a couple days. It don't matter. But this is Mr. Dan for right now saying, stay hungry, my friends. And when you are, come back and we'll give you some nice, fresh veggies.